We're currently in stage 4 restrictions. We've got curfews in place now. Shit has gone absolutely batshit crazy. Even to the point where it is like 5-6 degrees today, and we had snow only a couple of hours ago, even though it's melted already. But hey, you know, what do you do? So shit's got crazy.
Alright, let's draw this. Good luck to everyone. SquiggleFPV, my man. Alright, Jay, I'm gonna have to hook you up. Alright, mate.
From SquiggleFPV won it, but he has said to me he's got so many drones to build at the moment and he's so busy. He's going to donate it, so I'm going to redraw it.
Alright, we're gonna draw this again. Thanks, Jay, at SquiggleFPV. You're a legend, mate. Make sure you check out Jay's channel. I'll leave a link down below, and the winner is... Oh! Hey! Facia FPV! Team Alpha Prop, going in for the win. Alright, that's awesome.
FPV, you won it, my dude. Team Alpha Prop for the win. Awesome work. I just wanted to say, guys, keep an eye on the channel. Coming up, I've got some build videos coming in. I've got iGow 2 videos coming in, so you can follow along and see how I'm traveling. But, you know, hey, stay safe, stay well, and make every pack count. See you guys. Thanks.